COMEDK, also known as Consortium of Medical, Engineering and Dental Colleges of Karnataka, is an institution which conducts COMEDK UJET, which is the undergraduate engineering test. By giving the exam, a candidate is eligible for admissions in 16 medical, 24 dental and around 190 engineering colleges. Further, a candidate can choose which stream and college they want. Let us now talk about the eligibility criteria you must follow to give the exam. The candidate must have completed their 12th class from a recognized board with physics, chemistry, maths and English as their compulsory subjects. The minimum percentage for general category is 45% and for SC, ST and PWD candidates it is 40%. The candidate must be an Indian citizen, as there is no lateral admission in candidate pursuing diploma is not eligible for the examination. After you have cleared the eligibility, you have to fill the application form and the application fee for the same is rupees 1500. Explain about the exam pattern. It is an online test and will be of 180 marks. The exam will have 180 MCQ type questions. Total duration of the exam will be 180 minutes. There will be 3 sections in the exam. First is physics, second is maths and third is chemistry. All sections will have 60 questions each. 1 mark will be awarded for the correct answer and there will be no negative marking for the incorrect answer. Let me now help you with some tips which will help you to qualify the exam successfully. You need to finish 3 sections of exam within 180 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt all the 180 questions. The more you practice, the better chances you have of cracking the exam. Also, you need to manage your time and give appropriate amount of time to each section. Studying in a stretch or hours can be tedious and hard, also not good for health. Therefore, try to study at several times at regular sessions during a day. This will make learning easy and fun. Also, you will have enough time to brush up the already studied topics in between the intervals. Another way to improve your time and accuracy is by practicing mock tests.